Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. When I was little, my mother was a busy bee a few weeks before Christmas. She was baking and cooking a ton of delicious food. Among all these, there was a dish called ragout de boulette, and to make it taste incredibly flavorful, she used to toast her flour. Here's a simple method to do it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a baking pan, I'm adding about 6 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour because that's what I need for a recipe. And we'll shake it so it's level in the pan. We'll transfer it to the oven and set the heat to boil, but on the low setting. After 6 to 7 minutes, we'll stir the flour, and as you can see, it starts changing color slightly. We'll level it out with the back of our spoon and back to the oven until the top starts browning a little more. Now, when toasting flour, we cannot really walk away and forget about it. Otherwise, we might start a fire in the oven. So park yourself in front of the stove, play your favorite music, and enjoy a cup of coffee because it takes a while. Also, don't forget to start the hood fan and open a couple of windows so your fire alarm doesn't go off. Another thing is when you decide to do this, don't bother to clean your oven prior to toasting the flour as it will get dirty. So, the color will go from café au lait to beige, and some will stop right here. I don't. I just keep going until it gets really dark. The trick here is to stir when we see the top getting darker. Don't push a log though, as it can catch on fire. After stirring it, remember to always level it out with the back of your spoon. Is it tedious? Absolutely. And it takes time, but I have no problem taking a couple of hours to toast my flour because it really enhances the flavor of so many recipes by adding some nuttiness to them. If you want recipe ideas for using toasted flour, simply visit the website. After about 2 hours, this is how I like mine. It's not chocolate brown, but dark beige. So when we're satisfied with the level of toasting, we'll remove from the heat and let the flour cool completely before transferring it to a container. From here, we can proceed with our recipe.
As you saw in this video, it's a little time consuming, but let me tell you, this is so worth it. Doing this will enhance a lot of your recipes. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day. And for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!